Hi, fifth grade. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to log into your TCI Social Studies textbook for the first time. In the assignment sheet, you're going to find the login link. If you hover over the blue words, the login link will appear. Click on it to bring you to the sign-in page. You don't need to fill out anything here on the top. Just start by clicking Sign In with Google. Then choose your Bernard's BOE account. Now you're going to create a new TCI account. Up here at the top, you're going to put in your homeroom teacher's email address. Your homeroom teacher's email address is going to be their first initial, followed by their last name at bernardsboe.com. Then you can click Create Account. So now double check that you're in your homeroom teacher's account by making sure that their name is at the top. Choose that class. And welcome to TCI. If you scroll, you'll see all the different chapters that are in our textbook. The first few chapters are some of the things that you saw in fourth grade, and then we're going to start down below to do our fifth grade lessons. Happy exploring!